Nordic hamstring curls for knee strength. This is going to strengthen the entire posterior chain, but it's focusing on the hamstrings and all the tendons that cross the back of the knee. Most people don't train their hamstrings nearly as much as they train their quads. Quad simply means 4 muscles, and that's what creates this quadricep group. And your hamstring is comprised of 3 muscles. So yes, you have more muscles in your quad, but most people don't pay much attention to this, thinking that it's not a very strong muscle group. Now, if you compare it to your arm, your bicep would be your hamstring and your tricep would be your quad. Now, if you go to any gym, people are training their biceps many times more than they train their triceps. So we want to think about our hamstrings, but more importantly, this is feeding knee health. This helps strengthen the tendons and ligaments in your knee, and it protects your knees from injury regardless of the activity. I have set up on the rack more weight on the bar than my body weight, so when I hook my heels in, I can't let this pop up because I'll fall on my face. So in order to do a Nordic hamstring curl, you want to contract your glutes, keep your body nice and tight, and you're going to go as far as you can and then help yourself up. Now, this is if you can't do one. So this is how you would regress the Nordic hamstring curl. You simply hook your heels in and you try to stop yourself. Okay, that's about as far as I have confidence right now today. As you get better, you go further, but you always have something to catch yourself and then you come back up. You could also use resistance bands, but this gives more input to your brain and you'll improve faster. The better you get, the lower the item is to catch you, and then you help yourself up. So you want to go down as slow as you can and then come back up. And you're going to start with just 5 to 8 reps, 3 or 4 times if you can. You always can do less and work up to more. You don't have to do a ton right away. It has to be pain-free, and you have to have a safety system in place, which is to catch yourself. Because I don't know about you, but I don't want to fall flat on my face.